10 most dangerous intersections in Gloucester County? Every day, thousands of drivers navigate Gloucester County's roads without realizing that certain intersections carry a far greater risk of life-changing crashes. Route 17, the George Washington Memorial Highway, functions as a major four-lane corridor running through the heart of Gloucester County, and where smaller two-lane roads meet it, danger concentrates. VDOT data shows that one segment of Route 17 between Lafayette Heights Drive and Tidemill Road alone carries an average of about 30,000 vehicles every single day. When drivers on a quiet side road must cross or turn onto a highway where traffic moves at 55 miles per hour, the margin for error becomes dangerously thin. Several of these intersections lack dedicated left-turn lanes or protected signals, forcing drivers to judge fast-moving gaps with only a stop sign standing between them and disaster. Limited sight lines caused by curves, commercial signage, and heavy truck traffic from shopping centers further compound the risk at many of these locations. The 10 most dangerous intersections stretch from Woods Crossroads in the north all the way down to Gloucester Point near the York River and the Coleman Bridge. Woods Cross Road meets Route 17 without a traffic light, requiring drivers to judge highway speed gaps before turning across lanes of oncoming traffic. Thicket Road ends at a T-intersection with four-lane Route 14, where drivers rely entirely on their own judgment to find a safe gap in fast-moving traffic. Main Street and Route 17 in Gloucester became a VDOT study area because of ongoing safety, access, and merge and turning conflicts that have long concerned transportation planners. T.C. Walker Road at Route 17 uses a flashing yellow arrow for left turns, meaning drivers must yield to oncoming traffic rather than relying on a protected green phase. Brays Point Road and Route 17 drew a separate VDOT safety study due to documented congestion and turning conflicts that regularly put drivers at risk. Providence Road at Route 17 in Gloucester Point is another signalized intersection where flashing yellow left-turn arrows place the burden of yielding squarely on the driver. Guinea Road and Route 17 received a completed VDOT safety project, adding median and pedestrian upgrades, though the intersection still demands careful attention from anyone passing through. Hook Road and Hayes Road in Gloucester Point is stop-controlled, meaning drivers must watch carefully for turning conflicts at a crossing with no signal to manage the flow. York Crossing Drive at Route 17 sits in a busy commercial area where turning, merging, and access point conflicts create a consistently elevated crash risk for everyday drivers. Tidemill Road and Route 17 rounds out the list, sitting in an active Route 17 widening zone where high traffic volume increases exposure to dangerous turning and merge situations. If you were hurt at any of these intersections, an attorney at GibsonSingleton, Virginia Injury Attorneys is ready to review your case and explain every legal option available to you. The law firm's Gloucester County lawyer Ken Gibson and attorney John Singleton have spent years representing injured drivers across the Middle Peninsula after serious crashes on these very roads. Call GibsonSingleton, Virginia Injury Attorneys at 804-413-6777, located at 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia 23072, United States, to schedule your consultation today.